Hi guys, let's check our little garden here. Hi Buddha, hello. Are you looking after my plants? So guys, yan yung update ng ating succulents. It's growing guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, beautiful, huh? I love this one too. So I'm just checking on them guys. They're very happy. They're very happy guys. Alright guys. Oh my gosh. Something fell in them. An ating pineapple. Jade. So guys, I think they're happy. My plants, oh no, there's plenty of ants.